Hello, dear children. If you remember in my previous lecture, in the part of revision, we had discussed different types of adjectives, okay? Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive. And the last one was left interrogative, okay? Interrogative was left, which we are going to discuss in my today's lecture, okay? And we had stopped uh, in the type of adjective that was demonstrative adjective, okay? So let's begin with it. Here, in fact, we had discussed the possessive adjectives also. Almost all types of adjectives were already discussed. Now it's time for interrogative adjectives. Okay. Interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns both will be discussed here as a revision, and I'm also sharing the answer keys. Okay. So here, as you can see, notice the adjectives in color in the sentences. Whose class is this? Which ice cream flavor do you want? Okay, so these are the two questions. So these adjectives help the speakers ask questions, are called interrogative adjectives. Asking question. So questions can be asked in several ways, but WH type of words are used in interrogative as interrogative adjectives. Means WH type of words are used as interrogative adjectives. But which thing makes all these WH type words adjectives? मतलब वो क्या चीज़ है जिसके वजह से ये डब्ल्यू एच टाइप ऑफ वर्ड जो है वो एडजेक्टिव्स बन जाते जस्ट बिकॉज राइट आफ्टर दैट देर इज़ ऑलवेज अ नाउन हुज के बाद क्या है क्लास क्लास इज़ अ नाउन आफ्टर द वर्ड विच देर इज़ अ नाउन आइसक्रीम ओके नाउ इट्स माई काइंड सजेशन प्ले नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग्स ओके सो नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग्स खेलोगे घर पे विथ योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स you'll have greater concept of the nouns. Okay, means you'll be through with the concept of nouns actually hota kya hai everything you see in the world and universe, everything which you see in the world and universe is noun, either it's animal, people, things, cities, names of everything, names of hidden things also, जो चीज़ें आप नहीं देख पाते हो, इनविजिबल होती जैसे एयर, you cannot see the air, right? Still they are nouns. Things, everything which is visible and invisible both, जिनको नाम दिया हुआ है, all are nouns. So right after WH type of words there are nouns, so that makes them interrogative adjective. But what will be interrogative pronouns? अगर नाउन नहीं है, इफ राइट आफ्टर डब्ल्यू एच टाइप वर्ड इफ देर इज नो नाउन, नाउन नहीं आता है और कोई और वर्ड आता है, देन इट इज प्रोनाउन, सिंपल. बट अगर नाउन है उसके बाद देन इट इज एडजेक्टिव. वेरी सिंपल, सो डोंट स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. Notice the word in color in each sentence. Notice the word in color in each sentence. Which dress do you find better? Which of the two dresses do you find better? Now here, what you need to understand, observe the words in color. First, WHICH, which is in blue color, and second one is in red color. Now here, what do you see? Which के ठीक बाद क्या है? Dress है. और ड्रेस क्या है? नाउन है. ड्रेस इज़ अ नाउन. एंड इन द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, राइट आफ्टर द वर्ड विच, ऑफ इज देयर. ओके, ऑफ लिखा हुआ है. सो देर ऑफ इज नॉट अ नाउन, ऑफ इज अ preposition. So in which case did I tell you that it is adjective and it is pronoun? When there is a noun, then it is adjective. Which के बाद dress है, so that is the reason the word which is adjective. But which के बाद of है, of is not a noun, that is the reason this is interrogative pronoun. Okay, इस वजह से ये interrogative pronoun बन जाता है. Okay, now see, which, what and whose can act both as interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns. As adjectives, these words are followed by nouns. As adjectives, these words are followed by nouns. So which this word is followed by a noun? Dress. Dress क्या है? एक noun है और उसके बाद noun आया. That is the reason it is an adjective. Okay. So it was the task. Just observe this thing. We had discussed about it also. Means you had to form the questions. एक क्वेश्चन में WH टाइप ऑफ वर्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव एक्ट करेगा और दूसरे में एज अ प्रोनाउन एक्ट करेगा. ओके, सो already there are total 6 examples in this particular page. Observe them carefully and you need to understand why one is adjective and why one is pronoun. Okay, now here let me discuss the second one. सेकंड और थर्ड को हम डिस्कस करते हैं. फोर्थ फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ को अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करना, ठीक है. सो द फ्रूट्स ऑन द टेबल आर नॉट फ्रेश. सो आंसर इज गिवन. नाउ वी नीड टू फॉर्म इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स एंड इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस आउट ऑफ देम. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको क्वेश्चन बनाना पड़ेगा दो. ठीक है, सो टू क्वेश्चंस आर फॉर्म्ड हियर. वेयर द फ्रूट्स आर केप्ट विच आर नॉट फ्रेश. इन दिस केस where के ठीक बाद where this word is followed by a noun. Which noun? The fruits. The fruits is a noun. So in this case where this word becomes an adjective. Okay, and where are the fruits which are not fresh? I have formed another question. So where this word is pronoun, because उसके ठीक sorry where this word becomes pronoun. क्यों pronoun बन जाता है ये? It is an interrogative pronoun. Why is it interrogative pronoun? Because right after that there is no noun. वहाँ पे कोई noun है ही नहीं. There is word are. Are is an auxiliary verb. So in this case are, this word becomes uh, as because there is are, that is the reason where this word becomes interrogative pronoun. Okay, as I told you we will discuss two examples, so let's discuss third one also. The book you gave me is highly interesting. The book you gave me is highly interesting. So now in this case there are again I have formed two questions. So I have used a word WH type of words here, what and which. So in first case what is the name, what is name of the book. So in this case what this word becomes a pronoun. क्यों? क्योंकि ठीक उसके बाद noun है क्या, what के बाद noun है? No. Is, which word have I used after that? Is. Is means it's an auxiliary verb, that is the reason it is a pronoun. Which pronoun? Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative का मीनिंग क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन वाले वर्ड्स यूज करना, दैट इज इंटरोगेशन. इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. Okay, which book? So right after that which word is there? Book. Book is there. Book is what? Book is a noun. So right, so the word book is for, so which is followed by the noun. which ये word को कौन follow कर रहा है? Noun follow कर रहा है. So that is the reason which becomes interrogative adjective. Okay, similarly you need to observe fourth, fifth and sixth also, as because I have used did here but a noun here. I have used a noun here but did here means it's an auxiliary verb. Did एक तरह का auxiliary verb में ही count होता है. Okay, teacher is a noun, bouquet is a noun in this case. Okay, and in this case teacher is a noun. And in sixth example do is again an auxiliary. It's not a noun but juice is noun. So just analyze why this is adjective and why this is pronoun carefully. Okay, now here the sequence is given. I have already taught you. What is the sequence? Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and at the end noun comes. तो आपको एडजेक्टिव जब आप लिखते हो उसका एक सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर जो हमने डिस्कस किया था. सो इन फर्स्ट, at first opinion comes and then size and then age, shape, color. What do we understand by the word origin? Origin means from which place it belongs. कौन से प्लेस से, कंट्री, सिटी, टाउन, विच प्लेस डज द थिंग बिलोंग. मटेरियल मीन्स विच मेटल इज यूज्ड, what kind of is it a glass, is it water. Everything you see in the world or universe is material, right? So which material is used to make that noun. Okay, purpose means intention क्या है उस चीज़ का. Okay, purpose is rarely used, so don't stress much about it. So see the sequence. Silly young European man, huge round metal bowl, small red sleeping boy. Okay, usually 3 to 4 adjectives are used before a noun. हमेशा नाउन के ठीक पहले ही एडजेक्टिव्स डिस्क्राइब किए जाते हैं, राइट बिफोर द नाउन, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस क्लॉक इज नाउन, jacket is also noun, vase is also noun, and the book is also noun. So right before that only adjectives are put. As you can see, wooden blue tiny English clock. Okay, so already हमने तो फर्स्ट वाला एग्जाम्पल हमने डिस्कस किया होगा इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स, बट यू नीड टू ऑब्जर्व सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ केयरफुली. Your tiny blue English wooden clock. So I have made it in proper sequence. Okay, opinion is not given in this particular example, so I have used tiny. Why tiny? Because size पहले आता है. And then I have used color क्योंकि age और shape यहाँ इन options में available नहीं है. Okay, so I have used color. And then origin means from which place does it belong. It belongs to England. जैसे इंडिया के लोगों को इंडियन बोला जाए, तो पीपल बिलोंग टू इंग्लैंड आर नोन एज इंग्लिश पीपल. ओके, इंग्लिश इज द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर नेशनैलिटी. what is your nationality? You are Indian. And people who belong to England, they are English people. So English is a place. Okay, it means the place. Which place? England. And then we use material. Then it is made up of wooden, and the word clock at the end. Why? Because it's a noun, वो as it is अपनी ही जगह पे रहेगा. Okay, so leather wonderful brown jacket. Again opinion, and then color, and then material, and the noun. And in third example, German antique multicolored big vase. So here vase क्या होता है? एक तरह का जो जिसमें फ्लावर पॉट जैसा होता है वो. Okay, you can decorate your house using a vase. Okay, so here, so size, and then color, and then origin, noun as it is अपनी जगह पे. Here in fourth example, your opinion, size, color, and then book means it's noun. Okay, this is how the sequence is used. As I have conveyed you, not more than three to four adjectives are only used to describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, now here fifth and sixth, new soft woolen sweater. Okay, here soft, new. Soft means opinion. New, this word for age. एज ऑलरेडी आई डिस्क्राइब्ड यू. एज का मीनिंग एडजेक्टिव्स के मामले में उम्र नहीं होता है. एज मीन्स हाउ, नॉट ओनली एज इज ऑल्सो यूज समटाइम्स फॉर टू डिस्क्राइब एज ऑफ अ पर्सन और एनिमल, बट थिंग्स कैन गेट ओल्ड ऑल्सो. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स जो है वो पुरानी, नई, मॉडर्न, एंशियंट भी हो सकती है. सो दैट विल ऑल्सो कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ एज. एंड देन मटेरियल, एंड देन नाउन एज इट इज़. Again, Russian beautiful modern crockery. Beautiful modern Russian crockery. Okay, so this is how you need to add n here. By mistake I have missed it. Apart from that, complete these sentences using any kind of adjectives. Now this is the last task. So what you are supposed to do, you need to just एड एडजेक्टिव्स. या कोई भी एडजेक्टिव आप लगा सकते हो. इट डजेंट मीन दैट यू विल हैव टू ऐड दिस और दैट. नो स्पेसिफिक एडजेक्टिव, एनी एडजेक्टिव. सो 2 3 वर डन बाय मी इफ यू रिमेंबर. नाउ सी थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स्थ टिल 10th one. Okay, so options are not given. You need to just imagine the adjectives. A strong athlete, a dash athlete was seen driving a slash and dash x dash car. Okay, so a strong athlete. So athletes are usually strong, so I thought strong word will be appropriate for it. And then dash car, इसके लिए I have used expensive car. Expensive means महंगी कार. ठीक है. Thanks, but I have already eaten dash rice. Thanks, but I have already eaten some rice. You can use any other adjective also. Enough rice can also be used here. ENOUGH. 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 Enough rice. Okay, so you can use multiple adjectives, different adjectives. It doesn't mean हमने जो लिखा वही आपको लिखना. You can use any other. So this is just idea. This is just nothing but idea for answer key. Can you give me some idea on this? Okay. Apart from that, I love to sit on my soft sofa. You can use big sofa, giant sofa. Okay. or branded sofa. You can use any other word. We must share with the dash and dash people. We must share with the nice and kind people. Okay, you can use any other adjective, honest and kind, or poor and needy people. Okay, you can use another adjectives also. Eighth one, he is still dash because of the long illness. He is still unwell because of the long illness. Okay, so this is how I have put the word unwell. Unwell is adjective for that person. Okay, so I have rented a flat on the second floor. Okay, first floor, last floor, top floor. You can use any word here because floor is a noun and it will describe a noun by putting numeral adjective. Numeral means related to number. 10th one, the dash coffee you prepared might just be my favorite kind. The hot coffee. Okay, you can use any other word also. The cold coffee can also be used here. Okay, so as because it will describe the noun coffee. So we have done with it. Adjectives are all done, and soon you will get other worksheets also. So till the time I'll provide you pictures of these worksheets. Okay, pictures of these worksheets means whatever answer keys I have prepared, you can utilize it, but you can just use your own skills also to put the adjectives for this particular task. Okay, so we have done with it. Thank you so much. Take care.